When Hellas Construction is involved in a design-build project, our team takes complete responsibility for all design and construction services. We design a lot of sports complexes a year, and we know what works. We know how to make the most out of any space, as well as how well the flow of the complex will come together. This experience is very important as it guarantees a proven result for the end user.
We work as a team on each project. Every sports complex has its unique challenges, which requires customized designs and industry know-how to get the job done right. This is not only about installing sports surfaces. There are so many other moving parts to a sports complex, and understanding of how all the parts come together is critical for success.
Like everything's in order.
We have a large team here at Hellas, all working towards the same common goal. It is made up of our manufacturing divisions, crew scheduling, turf installation, track installation, construction, facilities, amenities, and service and maintenance departments. We own all of these divisions and can leverage all of our assets to move materials, equipment, or crews anywhere through only one point of contact. This is how time and time again we have satisfied clients who get more for every dollar spent.
The fact that Design Build can place more money into your project allows us the opportunity to bring more, from grandstands with press boxes, concession stands, restrooms, sports lighting, parking lots, playscapes, shade structures, and jogging trails to your facility.
Probably the best thing about my job is when we have a design-build relationship. We understand the expectations, we understand typically the budget constraints, and we like to come back and propose a design that meets those expectations or exceeds those expectations, and then we start the job and we're on schedule. Hellas is delivering all of its employees, and the job gets done, and it's a smooth interface. It's a collaborative effort between the owner and the design build contractor, and these jobs turn out successful. For the last 14 years, Hellas has been doing design build jobs, and more than 50% of our work in 2016 is design build, and all of those jobs are delivering on time, on budget, at greater than the expectations of the customers.
Working with Hellas, you start off in the planning phase and trying to detail what you want when it's a finished product. The thing we were impressed with is their ability to turn around quickly, something, a plat in color, to allow us to get a little bit of a picture. We took that picture to our donors, and it was enough that we were able to convince the donors that this was a great product. They then told you the final figure, and it's a guaranteed maximum, and so that you don't have a lot of surprises. And they already picked out all of the things that they thought we would be up against and had that figured in their budget. Well, Hellas is really a leader in the field. It was really an easy choice when you start looking at Hellas and their products, and the fact that they have put turf in practically every major field in the state of Texas, not the least of which the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. That to me was an endorsement in of itself. Also, since having Hellas here, we've noticed that their work ethic, their professionalism, and their ability to deliver on time and under budget was important. And having Hellas as a partner has been a true partnership, and we've enjoyed working with them.
The surface as a whole, I believe, plays a bit more like grass, which I think is positive. And you have, very forgiving properties, whether guys are falling down or sliding and that sort of stuff. So again, it's kind of the best of both worlds, right? You have as close to grass as possible in terms of your playability, but then also all of the pluses of an artificial surface. when it's all said and done, it may be better than a natural grass field just because you have the consistency in play without all of the upkeep that you would need to manage a field, whether it be water or groundskeepers, all that sort of thing.